Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Janine. You may know me as Just Janine over on my Instagram. Today I'm going to give you an update on how my Weight Watchers program has been going, and I'm really excited to announce that I am down 5 pounds already. So I'm really excited for that. And overall, I feel better. I feel so much better about the choices that I have been making, and it feels really good to know that I am making better choices and that I am not bloated all the time, and it just feels really good. So I wanted to kind of share what I've been eating to help me, and also just give you a little bit more information on the program. So since it's been 2 weeks, I can give you a lot more information on how the program has been working for me, what has been working, and kind of what hasn't been working. So if you like to see videos like this here on my channel and you're interested in following my Weight Watchers journey after having weight loss surgery, please consider subscribing if you haven't, and also please don't forget to give today's video a thumbs up for me. Weight Watchers has all different programs, and I downloaded their app and I'm doing the Points Plus program. So if you're interested in the program, you can actually get 1 month free if you sign up with my code. I will leave the link down below for you if you're interested. I started off at 140 about a week and a half ago, and today I am 135. So I will share with you what I've been eating and also give you a little bit more information on the program. So basically, when you download the app, it's going to ask you a bunch of different questions, asking you if you want, how much weight you want to lose, if you are active, your exercise levels, and your favorite foods. So they also give you a 0 points food list, which I really enjoy. And what I did was I actually customized my 0 point foods. The first week that I downloaded the app, I was kind of just learning the app and getting back into the habit of tracking my food. I feel like I stopped tracking about a year ago, and I think that that's when things kind of started getting out of control. So really tracking my food is helping me see what I'm consuming. And the first few days I tracked honestly, and my budget is 19 points per day. And the first few days I was eating around 38 to 40 points. So after a few days of getting back into the habit of tracking my food, I could actually see where I was going wrong. And Weight Watchers, like I said, they offer 0 point foods. So some of my 0 point foods include pasta, fruits and veggies. I have all kinds of proteins, including chicken, turkey, eggs, and there's many more 0 point foods. So I have a variety to choose from, and those are unlimited. Now the way that this program works is if you consume veggies, you get 1 point added to your day. So if you consume 1 cup of vegetables, you get a point added. So I start with 19, and for example, for breakfast, I decided to have some eggs, and I put 1 cup of spinach in that, and then I sliced up some fresh strawberries and some grapes. So my breakfast alone with just the eggs and the spinach and the fruit would have been 0 points, because those are all included on my 0 points list. Now, since I added a cup of spinach, I added a point to that breakfast. So instead of having 19 points for the day, I now have 20 points for the day. So that is sort of how it works. And if you do go over your daily points budget, then you are allowed a weekly points budget. So I believe that I get about 17 points per week, and I can just like save those for the end of the week if I wanted to splurge or indulge, or if I go over during the week, I don't really have to worry because I have that leeway. Now, one thing I don't really care for on the Weight Watchers app, it's one thing that I don't like, is that it does not track the calories for you. So I'm still using MyFitnessPal to track my calories and to monitor how many calories I am consuming. So far, as I've been tracking all of my food, it seems that I'm consuming around 1,200 to 1,400 calories per day. It may be more because I'm not really logging all of the fruit in MyFitnessPal, so it might be a little bit more than that, but I think I'm staying around that range. So I think that it is helping for sure, because I don't feel bloated anymore. I have a little bit more energy than I feel like I was having in the past few weeks. and overall I just feel better. So I would definitely say that the Weight Watchers app is helping me, and I also feel like it's helping me make better choices. So instead of opting for chips and sweets, I'm picking fruits. I've been substituting with rice cakes. I will share some of my snacks that have been helping me stay on track in today's video as well. So be sure to click the thumbs up button if you like to see that. And also, please let me know your favorite snacks, and let me know if you have ever tried Weight Watchers as well, because I would love to know. And I would also love to be buddies. So if you are already on Weight Watchers and you're doing it, then please leave me your username down below or follow me on Weight Watchers and I will follow you back. I also really like that it is like accountability, and I feel like it is just a companion for me. It has a nice guide for me. I feel like everything is just right there in the app. So it kind of takes all of the like stress and anxiety about what to eat and what foods to pick. Like it just takes that all away because everything is right there in the app. And when you go grocery shopping, you can just pull out your phone, because we always have our phones with us, right? And everything is right there for you. So you can have a guide on what to eat. So what I like to do is I like to start with my 0 point foods. So I will start with like my base, my protein, and then from there I will add foods, and I always track it. The app has a scanner so you can scan your foods, and like that it is just really easy for you to stay on track and see what you're eating. Now, since we are bariatric patients, most of us are, right? I am. If you are as well, then I know that the portions and the calories might be something that bothers you with the Weight Watchers app, because it bothers me. But since I have been comparing, I would say that you are definitely sticking within the calorie range that you need to be for losing weight. And the app is designed for people like you and me, busy people, people who want to still enjoy their favorite foods and still lose weight. So I really like that they do that, and you don't have to feel deprived, and you don't have to feel like you are depriving yourself of anything. So I think that it's been working out very well for me, and I'm just really happy to report that. I feel better. I'm down 5 pounds, and I'm really excited for the rest of this journey. So I wanted to share some of the recipes and some of the snacks that have been helping me stay on track in today's video. So I hope that you enjoy them, and please don't forget to give today's video a thumbs up for me, and also please subscribe if you haven't. Here's what I'll be having for lunch today. I got these Applegate chicken patties. These have no antibiotics. And I also have these Green Giant veggie fries. These are the zucchini, garlic, and Parmesan ones. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in the air fryer. This lunch would have been 10 points for me on my Weight Watchers program. However, I winded up not liking the Green Giant zucchini fries, so I didn't have those. So today's lunch with just the chicken patty was only 5 points. And I added some salad on the side as well for 0 points.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love.
I'm gonna go ahead and get started by dicing up my zucchini. And I love making one-pan meals because I feel like it is just so easy, especially for cleanup. And I actually got these cast iron skillets on Instagram from Shifu Choice, and it comes as a 3-piece set, so I will link them down below for you. And I love how you can transfer these from the stovetop right to the oven. So I have about a tablespoon of olive oil heating in my pan. I diced up the zucchini, so I'm just gonna go ahead and saute this on the stovetop. So I like to leave my zucchini a little bit thicker. I don't really dice them into small pieces. I leave them just a little bit chunkier because they shrink as they cook.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top.
So I'm waiting for the zucchini to saute up, and I have my ground turkey breast here. So once the zucchini is finished cooking, I'll just transfer that over to a plate, and then I will cook the ground turkey breast. But I also wanted to give you guys an update in the meantime. So I was also trying to make a reel for Instagram for this. It's so hard trying to like multitask everything. But I have been doing really good on my Weight Watchers program. I've been sticking to the points. I actually switched up the foods that I was doing. So I switched up like my 0-point foods. And now instead of beans, I included pasta. So I think it'll be a little bit easier for me to follow that plan. And I think that I've been doing really good. I stuck to all of my points yesterday. I've been doing really good today. I feel really good. I feel very energized. I don't feel bloated. So I am excited to report that. And overall, I just feel good. I feel like I'm making better choices, and like that just makes me feel better knowing that I'm making better choices. So I think that so far so good. I am also still using my MyFitnessPal as well to kind of log, because in the Weight Watchers app, it doesn't track calories for you. It only tracks like the points. So I still like to see how many calories I'm having for the day. So I'm kind of just using both. But I really like that I'm back in the habit of tracking my food. I am making better choices, and I feel like the Weight Watchers app is definitely helping me do that. So I did want to share that with you. Transfer the zucchini to a different dish, and now I'm going to cook my ground turkey breast. Here is one of my go-to snacks that I have been loving lately. So you'll need some Greek yogurt, any flavor of your choice, some fresh fruit. I have some of the Ghirardelli little white chocolate chips and some granola. So you can use any granola that you want to use. Just make sure that you weigh it out. So I have my scale here, and I'm going to use about 1/3 of a cup of the granola. And I also make sure to weigh out my chocolate chips. This has been literally like a go-to snack of mine. I also just sprinkle a little bit of Fruity Pebbles on top of this just to give it like that extra sweetness. And this snack is a total of 5 points, and I'm just obsessed with it. Just make sure that you weigh everything out. I did half a serving of chocolate chips, 1/3 a cup of the granola, and I just do the full container of Greek yogurt. Is another breakfast idea. So I have 2 Eggo waffles, and I sliced up an apple with cinnamon. So for the 2 waffles, that is 7 points, and fruit is 0 points on my plan. So this breakfast was a total of 7 points. This was a little bit higher in points for me, but I was just craving waffles. So here's the nutrition facts for 2 waffles, just so you can sort of get an idea of how many calories I'm consuming, but I'm still logging everything in MyFitnessPal, and these apple cinnamon ones are really good. If I have one, it would only be 3 points. So I'm going to be making a taco dinner for dinner tonight, and I have some lettuce, tomatoes, avocados, cucumbers, some ground beef, and I will be cooking it on the stovetop and making a salad out of it.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me, kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm just scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway.
So I just added some of this Kraft Mexican cheese. I'm using the one with the 2% milk. And I'm gonna crush a few of these Tostitos multi-grain scoops into my salad just to give it like a little extra crunch. Here's my breakfast for today. I have a handful of spinach with 1 egg. I also cut up a strawberry and some grapes. So this is a 0-point breakfast, but since I put a cup of veggies, the spinach, I'm actually going to gain a point. So I'm adding a point to my plan today because I'm consuming a handful of veggies. So this will be a really filling breakfast for me. This should help keep me full. It is full of protein and it looks so good. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I truly appreciate it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Be sure to give today's video a thumbs up for me, and also if you want to join me on the Weight Watchers app, then be sure to head to the description box down below, so like that we can be buddies on the Weight Watchers app and help support each other and keep each other accountable. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.